management. Depending on the size and complexity of your operations, managing claims can involve a lot of moving parts. Effectively managing claims is project management. The advanced feature of task management allows you to plan the steps necessary to process claims in a timely manner. Out of the box, we provide default settings that will allow you to start using tasks to manage the claims process. But we've made it flexible so you can tailor it to your own nomenclature and processes. To get started, we'll start with how the claims processor will implement tasks. Then, we'll go to the settings area and show you how these tasks can be customized for your company. The customization includes task types and task sets. Once we cover the setting, we'll return to the claim to show how it can be used to help speed things along. Starting with the claims, when a claims manager enters the system, they see the list of claims. Clicking on a claim brings up the detail. They can assign the claim to a processor to handle. The processor will receive an email notification. At this point, the manager or the processor can add tasks. The task is automatically assigned to the individual who is entering it, but they can change this and assign it to another person. The due date is required. The start date is optional. Once the task is submitted, it appears in the task list. We'll quickly show the Add Task Set feature, but this will be more meaningful when we return after showing you the settings for task management. A task set is a group of predefined tasks that can be quickly applied to the claim. This is an efficient way to use tasks when standard procedures apply in situations that happen frequently. For a residential claim, you may have the same set of actions that need to be performed. This is the task set. When applied, all tasks within the task set are added to the claim. The dates are based on the days out setting. We'll show this in the settings section. Now heading over to the settings area, we click on Task Settings. The first area is Task Type. In project management, there are some basic task types that are generally available: meeting, call, email, etc. For more complex processes, the email task type may be sufficient. But to analyze the flow and improve processes, managers may want to make these settings more discrete. To do this, click Add Task Type. Enter in the name of the task type and description. You can also color code these. While having discrete task type can help in analyzing the process, being too detailed can make using task management overly complex. You will need to strike a balance between analyzing actions and allowing employees to efficiently plan and execute tasks. The next section to review is the task set. This is where you group tasks together that are commonly followed in a given situation. Keep in mind that multiple task sets can be applied to a claim. So, you create a communication task set, a document review task set, and a settlement approval task set. Breaking the tasks down in this way provides flexibility for the claims processors. Of course, you can create a single task set that combines all of the steps. Some things to consider for the claims set. Do you exclude weekends in the timelines? For 24/7 operations, the weekends may be part of the timeline. For most, you will likely exclude the weekends. Days out sets the number of days from the time the task set is applied to generate the due date. Description can be a powerful section. In this area, managers can provide the required elements for the task, things like ensuring certain parties are CC'd, that the correct wording is used, or that certain timelines are shared. It is also a good way to help new employees understand the process your organization uses, keeping everyone on the same page. So you can add one or many tasks. We added one as a demonstration. You can go back and edit the task set and add more tasks to it. After adding task sets, you can return to update the already existing tasks. Note that this does not change any tasks already created by using this task set. The changes only apply going forward. The task status area can be customized to your organization. Things like pending approval, waiting on adjuster, may be common statuses for your company, and you can add them. These will then appear on the Kanban section for reporting. Revisiting the claim, we can see that the tasks we added before are there. We can then add another task set for communication. Note that the task set includes the description to explain what should be done in this step. Moving on to the task screen, you see the list of tasks. This is where users can manage their tasks, seeing what is pending across claims, bringing it together. The task types help identify specific kinds of tasks that are needed to manage the claims process. Having a description allows users to understand the intended use of the task type, though it may be obvious from the name. The level of detail defined by a task type is up to the organization. However, be cautious not to overdo it and create too many discrete types. The task set allows managers and employees to quickly apply a group of tasks to a claim without having to retype these tasks. Each task in a set includes the task type and a title. How to use the features of task management is up to the needs of your organization. Our goal at Mover Claims is to provide the flexibility to allow you to set it up as you require. If you have questions or need assistance, please contact us at help@moverclaims.com.